This shit got me so fucked up.
Somebody needs a fucking abrazo de verdad, coño.
You're still in my house. Let's go.
Hey guys. Hey! It's Delilah. Just to jump right into the video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial based off of Doja Cat's new music video, Juicy. So if you want to look like a juicy bad bitch, just keep watching this video, okay? Cool. Alright, so step 1 to achieving this look, grab your most favorite foundation that makes you feel like a badass bitch that's gonna make you look snatched. So the foundation that I have is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Foundation. That's what I'm gonna use. I'm in the shade Medium Deep 24. I want my skin, like always, if you don't watch my videos, I love a full coverage makeup look. So get your favorite ass foundation. If you don't have one, take your ass to Sephora, tell them to color match you, and get you a bomb ass foundation, okay? I'm gonna use this foundation on my Sephora 88 brush. If you want something a little bit more in-depth when it comes to foundation, contour, highlight, and all that, I'll leave a video. I have an updated foundation routine, and also I did a review on the Pat McGrath foundation if you haven't seen that. Okay, so now we want the center. We want your eyes to be snatched. As I suggest this concealer to everyone. I want everyone to try this. I want everyone to pick this up. This is the Too Faced multi-use concealer. I use this in all my videos. This is all I can use. I use this every single day. I use this in my videos. I use it when I want to work, when I want to be snatched, when I want to go clubbing, anything. Use this concealer. This concealer is freaking bomb. It will change your life. I'm using the shade Warm Sand, and I will be using this cute little baby right here, Natural Beige. There's only a few selected shades in the mini size. I just got this really bright one because I do love a bright under eye, but I don't really like to overdo it like that. I just need a balance, feel me? We're gonna use Warm Sand, and we're gonna focus that more under the eyes where the darkness usually occurs. So I'm gonna use my Sephora Collection brush in 89. This one. Second, now you gotta set these under eyes because if not, you're gonna be looking crusty, you're gonna be creasing like a mother. So take your beauty blender and get rid of any excess concealer that you make. This cup keeps falling, and this is where I keep all my brushes, and they just keep fucking falling. I can't believe this shit. But anyway, we're gonna take off any excess of the concealer that we may have. So get your translucent powder. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and I'm just gonna press that into my eyes with my beauty blender. I'm using I mixed banana, and I think the other one is called Deep Peach. This powder is really nice. I like it. It blurs. God damn it! In order to get really nice and snatched, you gotta contour, okay? Wow, I dropped everything. Well, oh. Alright, I'm gonna try this Lancome concealer. I got it in a dark shade to see if I can contour with it. So hopefully it's like dark enough. Yep, it's dark enough. I'm gonna use my little Pro Mini Flawless brush, airbrush brush, whatever. She has her contour and blush and all that pretty high. So we're gonna flip that upwards, okay? Moving on, we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mommy. I always use this one, and this is gonna be on my Mikasa F120 brush. For the first time, moving on for the first time, I'm gonna try this Milk Makeup highlighter in Lit. And this is just a cream highlighter. I'm gonna put that on the very high points of my cheekbone. I'm gonna try by just like rubbing it on my finger first. This is so pretty. Why am I so late? Ooh. Oh, it's so creamy. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, I'm so obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna put this all over because I'm super sick. It smells good too. Oh, this highlighter is so fucking lit. Literally. That's why they name it Lit. This shit is fire. Oh my god. Oh, I love this shit. Beautiful, beautiful job, Milk. I fucking love this shit. Everybody should go grab this. This is awesome. If you don't have it, you should go get it. This is the perfect... Ooh, I love this shit. To highlight, I'm gonna use my Nars Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder. This is like a really good... What the fuck? This is a really good highlighter for brown girls. Beautiful. It's a nice rose gold color. I love it. Just gonna put that right. Oh my god, this is a perfect combo. Y'all should go get that lit. Y'all should go get that lit shit. Yo, I'm gonna see. Ooh, I want to do something tonight. Hopefully somebody hits me up. Let me see. Now we're gonna use a reddish burgundy blush. This is the Milani Baked Blush in Red Vino. So it looks like she had a matte eye. It's very, very simple. The first color I'm gonna use, I'm going to the Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna use Ginger. I really do love this as a transition shade. It's the perfect transition shade. I'm gonna go into that color Ginger from the Jackie Aina. Nope, this is not the brush. I want to use my Morphe M507 brush. I'm gonna try my best to recreate this look because I'm kind of lit. I use edges from the Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna dip into the nude palette and I'm gonna use, I might mix Bare and Play together, so it's this one and this one right here. So now we're gonna cut the crease, but I don't want it to be too perfect. We're gonna use this little one from Morphe. It's the M421 to cut the crease. I'll use my little Born This Way concealer with, like I said, a Morphe M421. I want some Boston Market. Ugh. So this cut crease isn't gonna be like super perfect. I just want this base color to have a nice shape. Oh my god, of course you are. I want to use this color right here from the nude palette, the Huda nude palette, in Teddy. I'm gonna apply this with the Morphe R39 brush instead and just see how that turns out. I'm gonna put Play on top of this to make it brighter because Teddy's a little dark. Entonces, to line my waterline and my top line, I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Cake Liner. This is in the black shade. To do a beautiful wing, I'm gonna use my Benefits Roller Liner Eyeliner. Why does Orange in the Block got me fucked up? Like, I'm literally tearing. Trying not to fucking cry, because if I do, it's a wrap. Like, I'm gonna fuck up my makeup. I can't. Alright, I need to take that shit off because I'm just gonna start crying. I'm gonna ruin everything and I'm gonna have to start all over. I'm gonna smudge a little bit of shadow underneath. I'll use my Jackie Aina palette in the color Credits. This is a Sephora 18 brush. Awesome lashes yesterday. These are the new velour mink lashes in fluffy, yeah, and they're really fluffy and pretty, and I'm gonna show you guys what these look like. I'm gonna pop them on, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the lashes. I'm freaking obsessed with them. They're so bomb. Oh my goodness. So to prep the lips, I'm gonna use my Bite Beauty lip mask in Smashed. Alright, so now we're gonna use the MAC lip liner in Ruby Woo. Now I'm gonna use the color Seraphine. I look crazy. Seraphine from Anastasia. You guys are gonna kill me. This is like the third makeup look or video that I'm doing with red lipstick. Okay, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved making it. I freaking love Doja Cat. I hope you love this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you can leave a comment down below, if you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you can, and I will keep making videos so that you guys can keep watching, okay? Thank you guys. Bye.